Hey guys, it's Zig. Welcome to the second annual Cinco de Mayo party put on by my friends Lisa and Lannis. We get to Chris and Buddy's new boat we just built. We get to do some sailing, so I'm going to take you bastards sailing and have some fun, some campfires, some crazy, and some really good cooking, so let's get on it. Alright, we're out here doing Christmas Bay. We had Chris and Buddy's boat. We're lucky enough to have Dave in from Scotland to help with those honors. Now we're all out here at Christmas Bay, which is about a foot deep, much of it with sharks. The deepest part of this bay is 3 feet. We need 2. So we're just dancing off the bottom. And we're zipping in to catch up with the crowd here. Good campfire last night. Tales were told. Booze was drank. We'll be at it again tonight. We got Remedy. And we got Gros back. Flying the wing, baby. Look to the right. We're out of the water. Yeah. All right.
We disassembled a turkey. We're going to brown the hell out of it, and then we're going to put it in my big Magna-like pot with some onions, and might have to dump a beer in there or whatever. And slow cook it after we get it nice and brown.
These little antique shops, they were kind of cool. And I went in there and they had like all these little...
What we got hiding over here? Anything good?
Russian beans.
Yeah, that'll talk to us later. What do you got going over here?
Oh, just some cheese and salt.
Cheese? All good. Something to slow down the beans. Yeah. That's it. It's like matter, antimatter. What you doing, Gus? You look like you got caught. You up to something? Huh? Look at mama. All the men down here telling stories.
Is it bronze or is it still
What's up, brother? A little shaky on the dock here. Here we go. Oh, we survived. It's an old dock, but it gets the job done. You can walk along the stringers, I guess. The old ziggity. And old Kirk, Captain Kirk, just bought this. And our buddy who lives out in Utah. And put some more bottom paint on her. Get her out going. We were running in the 8s today. That wasn't bad. Here we go. See if we can get my fat ass off this dock. Usually that water isn't standing out there. We got high water going with all these big rains. Actually had a subscriber from New Zealand message me because he saw the news about the Houston and all the rains to check on us. From New Zealand was in the news. I got people from all over the country checking on us, but New Zealand, rock on, brother. These are huge nature preserves on each side of this, so nothing will be built. It's a pretty neat little getaway. They got a great big old camper they bring in. They didn't bring in this time just to keep space open. But,
Okay, so now my biggest disappointment is Ziggy is he does not like mushrooms.
Ziggy, what? You and Landis,
Oh,
what's your problem?
busted.
Oh, I'm so
Who's
busted.
Ziggy? Ziggy who?
And his friend, you know, I used to put mushrooms in everything. Mushrooms in my spaghetti, mushrooms in my meat.
I still do. I just cut.
My theory on the whole turkey.
Dessert. We got food and food and food and food. All right, we got Dave. Got Dave here from Scotland. He's got Dave here in Scotland, but he's about to teach him how to eat crawfish for the first time.
All right, they look like little lobsters. All right.
Yeah.
So the meat is attached to the end of the tail. So most people, you break the head off.
Yeah.
And then you peel like a shrimp. You peel the first knuckle or two off of it.
Yeah.
And then what you want to do, you want to pinch real hard to separate the meat from the end of the tail.
Nice.
Pop it in your mouth.
Okay.
The seasoned people,
Yeah.
you do the same thing,
before
but
they
you
teach
just
you
do
how
it
to
like
eat
so.
one.
All right.
This one looks nice.
So what? Pull the head off
Yeah, just break the tail off.
Break the tail off. Chuck this.
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll just.
Well, you peeled shrimp before.
Well.
So you want to peel
Well.
the first. Oh, all right.
Yeah.
You let a cage and stand there in front of the crawfish, you're going to get played. Watch. You want to like unpeel. So you hold this steady with your hand and you spin this around.
Okay.
Like so.
I feel like I'm not ordering this guy, you know? It's like,
That's a crawfish. How much honor does he need?
Yeah, when Buddy grabs the whole pile
And this
of
is raw.
crawfish and says,
No, it's cooked.
No, this is come over here. I'll show you how to do this.
just I'm getting on a plane tomorrow. I don't want to be. Right, just stick that in.
This, right after the jalapeno popper.
Just taking all the good stuff off. Throw it in your mouth.
That's the best part. It really,
Yeah.
yeah, that adds some flavor. You don't think it is.
I'm slightly worried I'm going to be.
yeah, yeah.
I got done on our plane tomorrow.
The jalapeno popper will slow it down. Ready?
Yeah.
Everyone in position?
Here we are, guys.
Everyone happy to go?
Yay!
Alright, first of all, it's an honour for me to be asked to christen the boat with Buddy, so thank you very much for that honour. So without further ado, today we come to name this lady Brobeck. and send her to sea to be cared for and to care for the crew, Buddy, namely. We ask the sailors of old and the mood of God that is the sea to accept Gros as her name, to help her through her passages and to allow her to return with her crew safely. All right.
Here.
Yeah.
I never could have done it without Peggy and Mike Taylor.
Yeah.
All my friends.
Yeah. 2,500 hours, you said, yeah?
At least.
At least.
Well, let's make it nasty.
Who you aiming at?
Yes.
Oh, here it comes. Oh, yeah.
That's dangerous.
Yeah,
Get it
that
started.
is thing.
Do the Heineken
Here
maneuver.
we go.
Oh, yeah. I think the last christening it was really hot. The sun did the champagne. I remember that.
Yeah, sure. Pass it down if you want.
Awesome.
Hey, is that paint supposed to bubble?
Yes, it is. Hurry, get to our hose.
Yeah.
I'll take a sip of that.
Me too.
Yeah.
Pass it around.
Pass it down.
Oh, yeah.
And Danny needs some.
Fingers in your chest.
Oh, wait. One at a time.
All right. Oops, sorry.
Dave brought this from Scotland, Virginia.
That's what you do.
That's how you do it. This is good. Good stuff.
There you go.
All right, y'all ready? Lannis? You okay with the angle? Let it rip. All right, fire the hole.
That scared you so much.
Good. Drain the canal.
Cows over there.
Right there.
Great night. Just getting going. Crowd had a good day today. Crazy dinner. We're all drinking pecan whiskey and telling tall tales. I'll check in.